We don't just see poverty, we see possibility. Behind a healthy newborn in Nepal, promoting safer childbirth. Behind a successful crop in Kenya, pioneering research on sustainable farming. Behind a child doing homework in Bolivia, creating networks to distribute solar panels. Tackling extreme poverty and supporting growth and prosperity for all. The World Bank Group. Working with governments, the private sector and civil society to take on the world's biggest challenges. Supporting each other as trusted partners. Building the knowledge, relationships and resources to create opportunity and a better life for all. With the World Bank Group by your side, it's possible.
We can be prosperous if we can all work together.
Our land, our ocean, and we as one people.
We all want to modernize but still keep our local traditions.
It's possible to give everyone the tools to prosper.
Dari Gadur Kecamatan Enam Lingkung sangat siap menerima dana hibah IDA 1 Sumatera nomor 01270. Sejahtera, sejahtera, sejahtera.